How to remove text from a video in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you some methods to remove or hide text from your videos in CapCut. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the method 1, that is to delete the text layer. So here, if you have created the video yourself in CapCut, the easiest solution is to open the original project. And now here, once you're inside the video, you can just tap on the text layer in your timeline, and after that you can simply select delete. And once you do that, the text will be removed instantly. And with this, moving forward to the method 2, that is to use AI remove tool. So here, if you no longer have access to the project file but you are using CapCut Pro, then you can try the AI remove tool. So here for that, you just have to select the clip where you want to remove the text area, and once you have selected the clip, you can simply scroll over at the bottom of the screen on the options, and there you'll see the option labeled as AI remove. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you tap on the AI remove, you can simply select the brush, and after that you can just select the text area that you want to remove. And here, once you're done with that, you can just tap on remove button and let CapCut use AI to remove it from the video. And this method works best for simple background and stationary text. And here, with that, moving forward to the method 3, that is to crop or zoom the video. So here, if the text is near the edge of the screen or there is any icons that you want to remove, then what you can do is you can simply crop your video. So for that, what you have to do is you just have to tap on the timeline, and here, once you have selected it, what you can do is you can just scroll over the options at the bottom, and there you can just tap on crop. And now here, once you have tapped on it, you can simply use the slider if you like, or there you'll see the preset ratios for the video as well. But here, if you like, you can customize it to your necessity as well. Now here, once you have cropped the video, just tap on the tick icon shown in the top right corner of the screen to remove the text from the video. And this can help remove the text without affecting the rest of the content too much. And now here, with that, moving forward to the method 4, that is to cover the text. So another options is to place an overlay, sticker, image, a new text layer over the existing text. So here you can simply take screenshots, or you can just upload same video as an overlay as well. And now here, once you have added them as an overlay, you can just crop them to the point where you can cover the text. And now here, once you're done with that, you can just cover the text that you don't like and don't want in your video. And here, just like that, you will remove the text from the video. And that's it. These are some best methods to remove text from the video. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.